This is one of the most unique homes we've toured. This is 830 Burney Mountain Road in Fletcher, just a few minutes from Asheville. It all starts with this beautiful meandering driveway down through the trees and across the stream. Winter is in full swing here in western North Carolina, and you'll notice frost on the grass in the shady areas. By morning, it will be thawed and forgotten. As we make the last turn, we catch our first glimpse of the authentic log home. The landscape is quiet, calm, and serene. It's nearly silent with just a whisper of a breeze. The entry is paved for convenience. It can accommodate multiple vehicles, in addition to the two-car garage. It's chilly out here, so let's get inside. As you enter the home, the first space you encounter is the dining area, but the tall floor-to-ceiling windows on the back of the home pull you towards them. It almost feels magnetic. The home is constructed from 13-inch Montana Western Ponderosa Pine logs. The logs are visible throughout the inside of the home on those exterior walls. The corner joints are massive, solid, and impressive. The exterior logs have been recently stained, adding to their beauty. The kitchen features chocolate maple cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Again, those massive logs are eye-catching throughout. If you're enjoying this home tour, please let us know by subscribing to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the unique craftsmanship of this genuine log home. We hope you've enjoyed this tour of 830 Burney Mountain Road. If you would like to see more Western North Carolina home tours, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Salt Realty is a boutique, full-service real estate agency based in Asheville, North Carolina. Exceeding expectations is not just their tagline, it is their goal for each and every client. The team of professionals at Salt Realty welcome the opportunity to assist you, whether buying or selling in North Carolina or anywhere in the United States.